use. Cost-effective and suitable for a wide range of applications. The only downside is the limited shelf life of 12 months, but with proper storage, the product can be used for several repairs. Overall, the Extrusion metal repair adhesive is a reliable, efficient, and cost-effective solution for metal. Get 93% off right now. Link in this video. Extrusion metal repair adhesive industrial high-strength bonding sealant weld seam metal repair agent strong casting AB glues. Get 93% discount. Link in this video.